Year 2, so your work last week was fantastic. This week you should be doing polar bears. So we're going to do nice cold scenes because winter's coming, isn't it? So you should have a sheet like this. Now, on this globe, Kazakhstan is about here, so in the winter it gets quite cold. But we're going to do, the polar bear lives up here, and it's snow, can you imagine, nearly all year round. Polar bears are amazing creatures. So up there, there's some people we call them Inuits. Here's a picture of an Inuit, and there they are. They're living on the snowy landscape, and this one is fishing. Here's another picture of an Inuit out on the sledge. So the dogs are pulling the sledge along, and there's a snowy mountain behind it. This is my favourite artwork. And these are actually artworks, it's a copy, but they're done by Inuits. And you can see, again, he's fishing, but up here in the sky, you can see all the animals that they love, the fox, the walrus, and in the middle, such a big creature, such a powerful creature, the polar bear. Now, we're going to, in this lesson, really celebrate the polar bear. So on this sheet, you'll see there's numbers. First thing you need to do is get a pencil or pen and just go around and join them all up. So you have the shape of the polar bear. But it will look flat. So next thing is go with your pencil and push down hard, go over it lots of times, pull it towards you, take it softer, softer, softer. Like you're scratching the paper and it goes lighter. And go all the way around like that. Can you see I've done that here? So it looks like the polar bear is now not flat. Now blues and purples are called cold colours. Oranges and reds are called hot colours. So if you could find in your pencil case blue and purple, you can start shading in the sea and the sky behind. But also think about where the polar bear lives. At the moment, there's nothing there, is it? Maybe you can draw a line like this and add the snowy mountains behind, like that. Maybe you can add snow falling from the sky. What is he standing on? Up here, you'll see we put a little picture of a piece of ice. It's broken off and it's floating in the water. He could be stood on that. So you could draw a piece of snowy ice underneath his feet. And then, if you want it to look like it's got shape, draw the sides of it like that. Okay? If the polar bear is stood on the ice, maybe there's some shadow because the sun is still in the sky up there even though it's snowy, so there'd be some shadow underneath like this. And then use your coloured pencils. Once you've drawn it like this, use your coloured pencils, and so it's nice and colourful, and then your teacher can add it to the classroom wall. Okay, we hope you enjoy your lesson. We look forward to seeing what you do. Have fun.